When we talk about the animal kingdom, we usually imagine impressive giants. Blue whales over 30 meters long, elephants weighing several tons, or giraffes that seem to touch the sky with their necks. But nature doesn't just know how to create colossuses. It has also brought to life creatures so tiny they could be mistaken for specks of dust or insects. And yet, they're there, beating, breathing, hunting, reproducing, and holding their place in the ecosystem. Let's meet the 15 smallest animals in the world, true miniature jewels. 15. The Bruxia nana chameleon. In 2021, scientists discovered in Madagascar a reptile that defied imagination. The Bruxia nana, a chameleon barely 22 millimeters long. To put it into perspective, it's smaller than a fingernail. What's incredible is that, despite its size, it retains all the abilities of its larger cousins. It changes color to camouflage, has a projectile tongue, and eyes that move independently. This tiny dragon proves that evolution doesn't need size to be astonishing. 14. The dwarf gecko, Spherodactylus ariaceae. Native to the Dominican Republic and some Caribbean islands, this gecko measures only 16 millimeters. It lives hidden under leaves and stones, feeding on tiny insects. Its speckled, shiny skin helps it blend into its surroundings, a vital skill, since in the jungle scale, everything is bigger than it. Kitti's hog-nosed bat, Crassinycteris thonglongyi. Known as the bumblebee bat, it is the smallest mammal in the world by length. It inhabits limestone caves in Thailand and Myanmar, weighing just 2 grams. Its appearance is peculiar. A flattened nose that gives it its name, membranous wings, and a body that fits perfectly in the palm of a hand. Despite its size, it is a voracious predator of nocturnal insects and plays a key role in pest control. 12. The Etruscan shrew, Suncus etruscus. Although the bumblebee bat is the smallest by length, the Etruscan shrew is the lightest mammal, averaging only 1.8 grams. Its metabolism is so fast that it must eat almost constantly. It feeds on insects, larvae, and small invertebrates, and its heart beats between 800 and 1,200 times per minute. In a way, it's like a biological Ferrari. Small, lightweight, but always at maximum speed. 11. The bee hummingbird, Melisuga helenae. In Cuba lives the smallest bird on Earth, a hummingbird so tiny many call it the fairy of the Caribbean. The bee hummingbird measures 5 to 6 centimeters and weighs less than 2 grams. Its heart beats over 1,000 times per minute, and it flaps up to 80 times per second while flying. Most fascinating of all is its role as a pollinator. Despite its size, it maintains the ecological balance of many plants. 10. The Paleidophrine amauensis frog. Discovered in Papua New Guinea in 2009, this frog holds the Guinness record as the smallest vertebrate in the world. It measures just 7.7 millimeters. It lives among moist leaf litter, and its call is so high-pitched it's often confused with the buzzing of insects. To hunt, it uses its tiny tongue to capture microscopic prey like mites and springtails. 9. The stout floater fish, Schindleria brevipinguis. This fish from Australia's Great Barrier Reef measures just 8 millimeters and is practically transparent. It hides among plankton and is carried by ocean currents like a speck of dust in the water. So fragile it looks like a marine ghost, many scientists believe its minuscule size has helped it survive without drawing the attention of larger predators. 8. The pygmy seahorse, Hippocampus denise. Seahorses are already strange creatures, but this miniature version takes oddity to another level. The pygmy seahorse measures between 14 and 16 millimeters and hides in soft corals. Its skin perfectly mimics the color and texture of coral branches, making it a camouflage master. Like its species, the male carries the eggs in a brood pouch until the babies are born. 7. The Barbados thread snake, Leptotyphlops carle. Discovered in Barbados in 2008, this is the smallest snake in the world. Its body measures about 10 centimeters, as thin as spaghetti, and it spends most of its time underground feeding on larvae and termites. It looks like a shiny worm, and its secretive life makes it very difficult to find in the wild. 6. The beetle Cyticella musawacensis. This insect from Nicaragua and Colombia holds the title of the world's smallest beetle. It measures only 0.3 millimeters, thinner than the tip of a pencil. It lives on microscopic fungi, which it feeds on, and is so tiny it can go unnoticed even under a microscope. 5. The pygmy blue butterfly, Brephidium exilis. In the deserts of North America flutters this little winged jewel. With a wingspan of only 1.2 centimeters, the pygmy blue butterfly is the smallest butterfly in the world. Despite its fragility, it survives in arid environments where other butterflies would perish. Its metallic blue color shines in the sun like a flying fragment of sky. With workers barely reaching 2 millimeters, this ant is tiny but feared in hospitals and cities worldwide, as it can transmit bacteria when invading food and medical equipment. Its size allows it to slip through invisible cracks, and its social organization makes it extremely difficult to eradicate. 3. The anemone shrimp, Paraclimens colmani. It lives among sea anemones and measures just 2 centimeters. Its transparent body with bright spots makes it a visual spectacle underwater. What's most curious is its symbiotic relationship with anemones. The shrimp gets food and shelter, while helping to keep its host clean. 2. The stingless bee, Trigona minima. At only 2 millimeters long, it is considered the smallest bee in the world. Found in South America, it plays a fundamental role as a pollinator despite its size. Its colonies are tiny compared to honeybee hives, but equally organized and essential to ecosystems. 1. The isopod, Stygobromus hayi. This aquatic crustacean, which lives in underground waters in the United States, measures just 0.25 millimeters. So small it's practically invisible to the human eye. It survives in the total darkness of caves and aquifers. Its secret life and size make it one of the most mysterious animals on the planet. These tiny animals remind us that in nature, size isn't everything. From the bee hummingbird pollinating flowers in Cuba to the pygmy seahorse hidden in corals, along with miniature frogs, bats, and snakes, all play a vital role in their ecosystems. If the blue whale amazes us with its immensity, these creatures amaze us with the miracle of their smallness. And finally, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.